If Google Chrome won't open on your PC, you click it, nothing happens, or it flashes and closes. Yeah, that's a common Windows issue. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening step by step in 2026. No complicated stuff. Let's get into it. First, Chrome might already be stuck running in the background, so open Task Manager and fully close it before trying again, Now, restart your PC. This clears temporary system glitches that stop Chrome from launching. Right-click the Chrome shortcut and run it as administrator. Permission issues can block Chrome from opening, especially after updates. Sometimes antivirus software blocks Chrome by mistake. Temporarily disable it and try opening Chrome again. If it opens, you'll need to add Chrome to the antivirus allow list. If Chrome still won't open, your profile may be corrupted. Go to the Chrome user data folder and rename it. Chrome will recreate it automatically. Right-click the Chrome shortcut again and open Properties. Go to Compatibility and make sure compatibility mode is turned off. Wrong compatibility settings can stop Chrome from launching. If nothing worked so far, reinstall Chrome cleanly, uninstall it from apps and features, then download the latest version from the official site. This fixes most Chrome not opening issues, honestly. And that's it. One of these steps should fix Google Chrome not opening on your PC. If this helped, save it, and check out the other Windows fix guides on the channel. See you next time.